Startup India. Way back in 2016, when Narendra Modi ji has initiated Startup India concept, understanding the need of that, hardly 400 startups were there in our country. ಕೇವಲ 400 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದವು. When Modi ji has given that concept of, initiated the concept of Startup India 2016, as we have been celebrating decennial program, after 10 years, do you know, from 400 startups, now we have raised more than 2 lakh startups. This shows, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಕಾನಮಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. Unicorns, even to the day, it may be quite strange to listen. In the year 2016, when that was initiated and launched, not even one unicorn was there in the year 2016. Now you can see more than 125 unicorns. It is very immense. It gives me an immense pleasure to say that more than 45% of unicorns are from Karnataka. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.